Well, health experts say there has been a rise in whooping cough cases across the country, including here in Wisconsin. First News at 9's Dashiell Menzel explains why the numbers are believed to be so high and what the signs are for whooping cough.
The Wisconsin Department of Health Services says as of July 1st, Wisconsin has had 126 cases of whooping cough, much higher than all of last year, which saw only 51 cases in the Badger State.
Wisconsin, just like we've seen throughout the United States, have seen about 3 times as many cases of whooping cough this year when compared to last year. But the numbers that we are seeing are very similar to what we saw pre-pandemic in about 2019.
Gunderson Health System infection preventionist Brian Simmons says numbers show whooping cough cases go on the rise every 3 to 5 years. He says that the rise this time around may be partially caused by effects from the COVID pandemic.
Something else now that's leading to potential more cases is possible vaccine hesitancy due to individuals maybe not getting their vaccine at normal times when they're supposed to, or some people just not getting their younger children vaccinated because of pandemic concerns.
Simmons says whooping cough is caused by a bacteria that most commonly enters through a person's mouth or nasal passages.
Bacteria gets down into the lining of the upper lining of your respiratory system, so into your throat, and that lining becomes a little bit inflamed from some toxins that's released from that bacteria.
Gunderson health officials say DTaP and Tdap vaccines are the best way to prevent yourself from getting the whooping cough. While whooping cough can affect all ages, there is more cause for alarm among health officials for young children.
We get more concern about young children, especially those under the age of 1 that haven't had a chance to be vaccinated or those that haven't completed a vaccine series.
Simmons says signs of whooping cough are feelings of a common cold that last over a week and violent coughing. In La Crosse, Dashiell Menzel, First News at 9.
Gunderson health officials say ways to help yourself when diagnosed with whooping cough are antibiotics, rest, and good hygiene.